Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and simply come over into the search option and simply search for download Blender. Click enter and then you will going to get a website from blender.org. So if you click on the download Blender and then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out the freedom to create. So if you click on the download Blender, if you click on that, it will going to download the Blender for your computer. Before that, you can simply see there is other operating system to download. So if you want to download it as a zip file into Windows, you can simply click on that. Also, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to download it from here. So going to click on download Blender. And you can see the download has been started. And you can see the download has been completed. And now if we click on it 2 times to install, and minimize the browser. After that, it will going to come up with the Blender setup wizard. We can simply click next here. If you want to change the install file location, you can simply click on change, click on this, and you can simply click on this down arrow, and then you can simply select your drive, click OK, and click next and install. You can see the installing Blender is now processing. After complete that, you can simply uncheck learn how to support Blender and click finish. And then you can see the Blender 5.0 or 5.0 is rightly shows up with the desktop icon. We can simply click on it to open for the first time. And you can simply see the Blender is rightly open in our computer. So this is how we can simply download and install Blender in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.